We're on the edge of the Bradford Kaims here, which is a landscape from the last ice age. It was identified originally as a potential site for prehistoric activity simply because of its geographical and geological location and aspect. The really exciting thing about this site is the level of preservation of the wood and the organic remains. We'll be able to rebuild their existence really to a very high level from the environmental data that we're getting. Wood survives really well because of the water table here. We're right on the edge of a prehistoric lake, but all this is gradually receding as the water table drops. But then, problematically, sometimes it will rain heavily and the water table rises again. So we're not just getting a desiccating landscape, we're getting a landscape that's flooding and desiccating, which is possibly the worst thing that can happen to these environmental remains. So we really are on the cusp of something here where this site doesn't have very long. So it's very important that we intercede now in order to get as much information as we can before it desiccates and just literally blows away. The site was first found really through a series of exploration. The first thing that was located was a series of slabs laid flat, which we potentially thought might be a kind of trough used in prehistory as a preparation area. But that really gave us a clue to what we were looking at. We were looking at something that was prehistoric, that was to do with production, creation, generation of resources. So we knew we weren't looking at a simple site, we were looking at something that had a wider context.